Morning, everyone. Yes, this is Cooking with Carl in Carl's Kitchen. I know it's called Cooking with Carl, but we're going to be baking today. We're going to be baking Hardo bread, Jamaican Hardo bread. Yes, you know what? We always go to the store to buy bread. And my kids always tell me that, Daddy, why you always I buy bread when we can make bread? And I'm like, okay, no problem. So right now my kids, them excited, them happy, them a laugh. Say, Daddy, I gonna make them favorite Hardo bread. So like my mother always tell me, if you're gonna do something, you do it right and done, or else don't do it at all. So the thing is with baking and cooking is patience. And you have to take your time when you do anything. No rush. Take your time and do it properly. You understand? My mother always tell me that. So we are going to make Hardo bread. We are going to take the time and make it. I'm going to do as slow as I can to make you guys understand and see. So what I did this morning, I get everything ready. Prepare everything so you guys can see what we have here. So first, before I start adding anything, I'm going to tell you what I have. I have some cooking oil. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, teaspoon and a half of salt, another teaspoon and a half of yeast. Yes, them tell me I can't say this properly, but it's yeast. You guys know what I mean. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Well, let me see, about a half a cup of milk. Warm the milk, make sure the milk warm. And a cup of water, make sure that warm too. And then I have some butter. I melt the butter. It's about 3 tablespoons of butter. And then we have over here the flour. You can't make Hardo bread without flour, right? So we have 4.5 cup of flour. So when you're gonna do this, first thing and foremost, you have to put the ingredients together. So you want to get all your dry ingredients. Get all your dry ingredients together. So